In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Loom Chrome extension. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Now, for those of you who might not know, Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers available, so if you're already using it, you're in the right place. If you're not using it yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Once you have Chrome open, the next step is to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by simply typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar and hitting Enter. Just a quick note, the Chrome Web Store is the place where you can find different extensions and apps that can enhance your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to want to search for Loom specifically. So in the search bar at the top left, type in Loom for Chrome and then hit Enter. You might see various options come up, but keep an eye out for the official Loom extension. It should be one of the top results. When you locate Loom, go ahead and click on it to select it. You'll be taken to the extensions page where you can see all the details about Loom. It's a pretty powerful tool for creating quick videos and sharing your screen, which is especially helpful for remote work, tutorials, or even just simple messages. Now you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click that button. Chrome will prompt you with a confirmation dialog box asking if you really want to add this extension. This is just a safety check to make sure you want to proceed, so click on Add Extension. After clicking that, the download will commence, and you'll see a small progress bar indicating that the extension is being installed. This should only take a moment or two. Once installation is complete, you'll get a message that confirms the Loom extension has been added to your browser. But there's just one more thing you'll want to do before you start using Loom. Loom requires access to your microphone and camera to record your videos effectively. So when prompted, make sure you follow the instructions to allow Loom access to both your microphone and camera. This is crucial for being able to record high-quality videos, so don't skip this step. Now that everything is installed and permissions are sorted, let's wrap this up. To use Loom, you'll need to find the extension in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the extensions icon, which looks like a little puzzle piece. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for Loom. You may have to scroll a bit if you have several extensions installed. Once you find it, there's a little pin icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that pin. This action will pin Loom to your Chrome toolbar for easy access in the future. Now you can just click on the Loom icon whenever you need to record something. The first time you click it, you'll likely be prompted to sign in to your Loom account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one at this point. Just follow the prompts. And that's it, folks. Your Loom Chrome extension is now fully installed and ready for you to use. You can start creating videos, sharing your screen, or anything else you might need. Remember, this tool can really elevate the way you communicate and share information online. Thank you so much for following along in this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.